Hey guys, what's up? So the first thing we want to talk about in this series is you need to become acclimated with the tools out there that is going to be able to make your job easier. Now, as a JavaScript developer, we have all kinds of different tools at our disposal, but the best thing about JavaScript is that these tools are built right into the browser. So all you need to do is download and install Chrome on your machine. I recommend Chrome. If you're a Firefox guy or girl and you've been using Firefox, and they do have also good developer tools, I prefer Chrome's. And for this series, I'm going to be just using Chrome. So with Chrome, like I said, it comes with your browser. So once you have a Google Chrome browser pulled up, you can go to any web page and press F12. That is going to launch your developer tools, and it might show up on the side. If it shows up on the side, you can detach it there. You can dock it to the bottom, or you can dock it to the side. I think it shows up on the side by default. I like to keep mine on the bottom. So you want to make sure that you look into the fact that there's different tools here. If you select this option, you can actually get different like measurements and stuff like that, so you can see how the website shows up on mobile devices. But we're not going to worry about that right now. One of the things that you will look at a lot is your elements. So if you like right click on something, when your elements tab is open, this will take you to the actual HTML that's showing up in the browser, which is very helpful. The console is actually where you can type JavaScript right in here. So hello world, you can type right into the console and it'll run and execute. The sources is actually how you can put breakpoints and step through your JavaScript code, which you're going to find is very, very important. Your network panel is also very important because any sort of HTTP request that goes out to a server and returns data and things like that, that's all going to be taking place inside your network panel. So when you're testing communication with your back end, then that's going to be important. The timeline is good for like actually measuring how long requests take and stuff like that. I don't actually use it very often. For the most part, that's really just what we're going to be focusing on: elements, console, sources, and network. While we're in here, one of the good things, if you actually do Control P, it actually tells you hit Control P to find a file. So if you do Control P, you can actually search, and you can see it actually searches for any sort of files that are connected to whatever sort of web page that you're debugging. Anyway, guys, so that's the first thing you want to do. It takes a long time to get used to developer tools, but I want to make sure that you guys know how to open it, which is F12, and also what those different panels mean, because you need to understand for this tutorial series going forward. All right, guys, thank you. Bye.